Hello everyone. I'm just making a quick couple of videos to explain how to upload the data from the kit to the Google spreadsheet that we are sharing. So already detailed video is available, but then that video may be little long. So this one may be a quick video so that you can once again get a review how to upload the data. But first, let's talk about the kit. This kit has already been sent to the students. So you might have received the kit either directly or via courier. So you need to do the connections. So connections quickly I will explain. So uh, basically, this is a power measurement circuit. So let us start analysis from this side. Again, I am telling you there is a detailed video in which I have shown how to even connect each and every connection also. Now all the connections are made. I am just showing. So let's start our journey from here. So this red wire which comes from the bottom, this is the phase, and this is the neutral coming from the main outside supply. The phase wire, you can follow it, first goes to the switch. So this is the phase wire coming from the inside supply. It goes to the switch, and the switch, if it is on, then this gets short circuited, power jumps to the plug. Otherwise, if the switch is off, then the power never reaches the plug, and therefore the load is disconnected. Okay, so that is about this wire. Meanwhile, there is one more phase and one more neutral. So this module, now let me show you. So this is the PSM module, the power measurement module. This side is the electronic connections, and this side is the electrical connection. So first is the phase and neutral we have to give for voltage measurement. So in order to measure the power, you need both voltage and current. So for voltage measurement, these two, so that before even it goes to the switch, I am connecting phase and the neutral also, like this to this, and the remaining neutral goes back. Now for the current coil connections, here we have introduced a CT. So here we have introduced a CT. So the CT will measure the current from this neutral wire. Now, so this completes the electrical part. Now on the other side, we have the ESP module. So this ESP module will be measuring or collecting the data from the PSM module. So this one has the four wires again. So four connections between these two. So two are the 0 volts and the 5 volts connections, and the other two are transmit and receive. So the receive of PSM is connected to transmit of ESP. Similarly, the transmit of PSM is connected to receive of ESP. So, what are these transmit receive pins? What kind of pin numbers and all that? Already it is marked in this, and at the same time we will explain when I'm showing you the code. But basically, you need to make four connections between these two, and also four connections between these two. So that is what is the connections part. So once these connections are made, this the other end of this particular ESP module goes to the power supply. So right, this is a USB. So for the time being, because we are now programming this one, this instead of connecting to power supply, we are connecting to a computer. So this is the connections part. So let me now conclude the connections. You just neatly arrange this inside like this. Make sure that there is no cross connections, unwanted connections are not there, and then you can just close this. Now you have a box where you have the plug and switch itself, and then two input wires are coming for the electrical, and this wire which goes to ignore the black wires, this white wire which goes to the computer will be transmitting the data, how much is the power consumed and all. So let's connect a load. So I'm connecting a load like this, and further this is basically my laptop charger. So how much a laptop charger power is consuming, that we will see. So this part is the first part, and in the next part we will show the software part of it. So thank you.